This instruction is for UF cable only. It is not for indoor Romex. Taking care not to cut yourself, cut parallel to the ground wire, keeping your blade against the ground wire as you cut up. The black and white wire will be on each side of the blade. You do not want to cut into the insulation of the black or white wire. At this point, you can remove the entire ground wire from the sheathing, pulling it along until it's separated to the stopping point. Repeat the same process with the black and white wire. It may be necessary to cut a few inches of the sheathing in order to expose the new wire underneath. If this method is followed properly, there should only be a few pieces of wire at the end that need to be cut off because of damage to the insulation. Good luck and keep practicing. This method can be used for 2 or 3 wire cables. Thank you for watching this how-to video. If you have an interest in more how-to videos for electrical installations, please subscribe to our channel today. Thank you for watching.